Handsome guy and one for your pants.
Thank you, thank you.
How are you? Good?
I'm very, very well. Did you tell Lujane about the surprise while she was taking care of you?
Yeah, it was really good yesterday.
Don't tell her all the details.
No, I think he hides something.
Okay,
He's
okay.
hiding something.
Yes.
So Lujane, you
Very
have to
good
go,
surprise.
right? Because you have to see the opening. But we have to
Exactly.
show you this report.
Okay, so I'll see the report
Yes,
and then I'll go to the opening.
exactly.
Sure.
Then you can enjoy
I
yourself.
would love to.
My name is Dr. Claude Istanbuli. I'm a dental surgeon.
Hello, my name is Adam. I'm 10 years old from Syria.
Hi, my name is Nesreen. I'm from Syria.
Hi, I'm Mariam. I'm from Syria. I'm 12 years old. My name is Karim and I'm 6 years old. I want to go to the Ferrari world and it's not scary, this one. See, this one.
There are many things to do, but no discussion in our family. Karim takes the lead.
I got this!
And of course, the first thing for him is to fulfill his dream, to be a race car driver. But careful, Karim, racing is a dangerous business. It's time for a pit stop. Behind every corner, there's a new challenge. Now it's the GT Coaster. Daddy has to sit in front. Good thing Miriam is there to hold his hands. So many memories for the family photo album. In the pit stop show, our family relaxes and enjoys the actions of others.
We had so much fun, the family, the whole family. And thanks God, we have Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi.
But of course, at the end, Karim is part of the action again.
I had so much fun and then I'll go home and then I'll go to bed.
No, Karim, no bedtime yet. The biggest surprise is yet to come on their way to the car.
Do you know what his name is? Yalla, Karim?
You all ready? Yeah. One, two, cheese.
That was amazing.
Yes, yes.
I don't get it. People love you. It's like they stop you on the street all the time.
Thanks God. This is like a gift from our God. But really, yeah, really, I'm very happy when I see the people like me, love me. It's something very good for me. That's it.
I just want to know what's happening with your career in Hollywood, which I know is going to be pursued.
Yeah, I'm trying, and you know, I have some connection with very big director in the world.
Werner Herzog.
Yes,
eminent German, big celebrity director.
Yeah, he's living in America, and he did something very amazing. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna be with a new film with him. I hope to get something very good in the future. This is my dream. I hope I can get my dream in future.
You will, you will. All dreams come
but
true.
I have to.
You have to work very, very hard at it.
Yes,
That's
and I have to I have to learn more English because you know my English is not good enough. So this is a small problem, not a big problem.
Yeah, it's a teeny bit of a problem. What do you think of Ferrari World? What made you come here today? I know you like fast cars.
Yeah, it's amazing. Really, I'm very happy to be in Ferrari World. It's something unbelievable. Really, it's really a new world and amazing. I like it so much.
Well, we also went around and we asked the first people who visited all the beautiful theme park that we have here. And we asked them what they thought, what their first impressions were. Shall we watch it?
Yeah.
Going to Abu Dhabi, you have to come to Ferrari World.
One of the games that were interesting was the Speed of Magic and this 4D cinema.
I can't believe we're here.
Formula Rossa was outstanding.
Amazing, really, really good.
Even took mother on it.
Oh, it was so fast, it was very scary.
Fastest roller coaster in the world.
I really like the red color that you're using all over this place.
It's not normal thing, no.
We've come from China. We read the magazine. Oh, Ferrari.
I feel like I'm in a modern art museum.
I congratulate Ferrari management.
How do you like it?
Amazing.
It's amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, this place is out of this world.
Amazingly beautiful. Everything is very, very classy. It's nice.
Nice.
Oh, it's a very nice experience.
Don't miss it,
Amazing.
Oh, it's very nice.
This world is very wonderful and funny for the family and the children mostly.
Adrenaline. I enjoyed a lot. The fastest ride. I enjoyed a lot.
Wow.
You can enjoy with your child. There is area for a child, there is area for a family.
The simulators were excellent. It's a must go.
We're expecting a lot, but it's definitely one place that we wanted to visit. I'm visiting from Pakistan.
Oh, I really like the cars here.
The history of Ferrari, car Ferrari, it's very nice.
All of a sudden, it pops.
I'll start booking from now.
Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi.
I'm right at the place where His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan is going to attend the inaugural ceremony of Ferrari World in a few moments, and with him the chairman of Aldar and the chairman of Ferrari. I have to go, but meanwhile I'm going to show you a video clip that was very exciting. It was Faris Karam who shot his new video here at Ferrari World. Let's see it together.
كلب الحي جمع صوت الجيران ما بتراجع ولا شوي قولوا مجنون وعشقان مش كلب الحي ولا جمع صوت الجيران ما بتراجع ولا شوي ويقولوا مجنون وعشقان ما طرقت ضل من بيته وإلا قديش حبيته دنيا بخربان ما لقيتها مني سئلان
love it. It's so cool. Amal, I think you had as much fun